making fun or are you serious?
I'm not.
Yeah, I know when he's joking about
You're
he's
right,
giving you
it's
a
something I would
compliment.
joke about, but I'm
Papa's
actually...
gotta go to
I
work.
love it. It's a wonder and
Hey,
making a joke.
good boy.
I think it's just because we've had Mr.
Bye, Papa.
How did you
Bye, Papa.
eat two already? Oh my god. It's like you just sat down. How did you do that?
Been a teenage boy in the family for a while.
Sorry,
That's
Papa.
good.
It's yummy.
Oh, what are you eating?
It's like a...
Yogurt maple.
What are you eating? Can you say strawberry?
It's good.
We have regular stuff now that is just sitting in my pantry. I'll never use it again. We hate it.
Are you eating berries?
Oh, it shouldn't be against the
I
wall.
know it is.
Pull it out a little bit. No, I'm talking about maple syrup.
Ooh. Tease, your big tease.